Good morning, guys. Why every single time when I update my Windows, my setting resets? Every single time. Can you hear me right now? Okay, that's so annoying. Okay, every single time when I update my Windows, this happens. Why? Who knows why? Like, why not? Good morning, guys. So right now, still inside high time frame consolidation, I'm watching this order block just for now. It's not order block yet, but if it's going to be order block, let's see if it's going to offer a retracement down. Good morning, guys. Good morning. So the question is if they're going to create order block right here, hold it, and where is my tool? Retrace from this order block? That's the question. So let's see. Exactly the same situation I'm watching on yes. So basically watching for order block, retracement back to the range. Yeah, let's see. So less than 3 minutes left until market open. So I'm not going to be in rush because come on, it's right before market open. But I'm just watching if it wants to create OB. Cannot retrace with this order block to take at least internal sell side right here, right? Oops. Like this. It's not order block yet, but if it's going to be OB, then probably we should get something like this. So we need to get the closure below sequence of up close candles. So it's not order block yet. So obviously market maker buy model on high time frame, on medium time frame, on low time frame. I'm just watching for the tracing back to the range. If it's going to offer OB, it's not OB, so I'm not going to talk about short right now. I mean, like nothing to short yet. I said if it's going to offer OB, then yes. Okay, let's talk about like high time frame picture. So as you can see, overall picture, once again, time distortion, second stage of accumulation on high time frame. So market maker buy model, right? And it's still consolidating, so nothing significant happened yet. We got hourly fair value gap. And today when I woke up, I was like, I don't really mind to see price retracing down to fair value gap to long to 50% of a weekly week. So initially it was my plan. In reality, so far just straight move up. Fair value gap still open right here and right here. But yeah, with order block, probably it may offer this move down to hourly fair value gap long to long to 50% of weekly week. Just once again, when we have high time frame consolidation, and we have this since beginning of May, it's high time frame consolidation on daily. Overall, hard to predict what kind of day is going to be, right? I mean, it's going to be bullish, bearish day, because simply we're moving from discount to premium so far for almost 4 weeks. So let's see. It's still not order block, still pretty much consolidating. Look at yes, trying to offer SMT. You mean 10 points on NQ or on a yes? So at this point, I will use week. If it's going to close below this level, it will become order block. Otherwise, it just continue going higher. Without order block, absolutely no reason to check any shorts. I mean, like no reason to short at all. It's just bullish. So we still don't have change in the state of delivery to upside. We got straight move up so far. At least it can be order block. So basically failed, it's not failed order block, it's nothing. It just pulled back. That's it. Can I consider a breaker block? Maybe like low probability, yes. See, just going to 50% without any retracement. I mean, that's fine, just annoying. Good morning, good morning. So key level for today is going to be 50% of weekly wick, 614. That's key level. But once again, today when I woke up, I was like, I would like to see me break below this low right here. We're going to hourly fair value gap. I want to long to 50%. Never happened. That's fine. That's fine. Let me see what we have on hourly chart. We got inversion, we invalidated this inversion. So I don't know, like in real time, it made sense to me to retrace to hourly fair value gap to long. In reality, well, I mean, who cares? It simply created order block on 1 hour chart, it created breaker block on 1 hour chart, and just straight move up so far to previous day high level. Yes, still below previous day high, but once again, a bit annoyed, like it never retraced for me, but that's fine, I guess. Just really expected to see hourly fair value gap traded into then long. It made sense at least. About breaker, you can use wicks as well. It's not huge wicks. So yeah, you can use this. Still a bit boring. We have SMT between yes and Q, but obvious level remains higher. This means so far we just tested daily open. Why it was important? Because before this week right here, it was pretty much flat candle over here. So daily open retest. Let's see. Maybe another opportunity for order block to retrace lower that I mentioned before. Huge beep. Yeah, I mean, high time level target remains higher still. But honestly, in my humble opinion, what I was thinking this morning, like in order to go up, we need to go down first. And our fair value gap was so obvious in my opinion, like we're going lower than long, but in reality, never happened. I forgot to connect accounts. Completely forget about this. Okay. It's red folder news. I believe every single day is going to be red folder news. It should just offer volatility. Maybe just going to be like once again slow move higher again as you got yesterday. It was just slow, extremely slow move higher. So this can happen today as well. Okay, going to highlight first presented for value gap on Ninja Trader. Don't want to check 1 minute chart over here. Oh, we didn't have it, right? What time it was? No, we don't have it yet. Okay. I call this like internal sell side if you don't mind. So I means internal. Yeah, basically so far we have SMT. And as I said before, preferably to see move down first. At least you will not be disappointed like we are right now. I'm happy it just took previous day high level and that's it. I'm thinking if it, not entirely sure yet, but if it's going to offer OB right now, can it be short opportunity? Not sure about stop loss, honestly. If it's going to be order block, can it be short opportunity for us? to balance hourly fair value gap. If not like balanced, at least 50%. Okay, let's see. Seems interesting. The question if it's going to over something. Going to switch on 2-minute chart right now. Okay. Yes, basically I'm watching for the tracement down to hourly bullish fair value gap and consider potential reversal from there. I already mentioned this. Let's see. So we just got 2-minute OB. We didn't get this. I hate it so much. We didn't get this water block on ES. I guess it doesn't really matter since we have SMT. Okay, going to wait a bit more. We have breaker block, but about 5-minute chart. We do have breaker block on 5-minute chart as well. Only concern right now ES. Failure to offer order block. That's annoying. Extremely annoying. But going to highlight 50% of this week over here. Why it's annoying? Because this makes this short setup less probable, I guess. Good morning, guys. But seems like NQ failed to offer any move down still. I mean, this low doesn't really make sense to me, but this one makes sense to me because it's in discount and hourly fair value gap. So only concern right now, yes, ES need to displace low right now. Otherwise, it's not going to work. Just need to displace right now, and at this point, it should work. I mean, we may try this. Not in yet, just telling you. Needs some sort of displacement to anticipate this move down. So to enter the short on NQ. He is kind of struggling right now. Yeah, we have news. I know, just for quick scalp, makes sense. Just need to displace on ES a bit. A little bit. Trying to displace, I like this. Just need more speed right now. Yeah, basically internal, but I'm looking for hourly fair value gap. Trying to display. So I'm looking right now if it's going to close below this purple box to enter short on in Q. Yeah, when let's say in Q offered order block, AS failed. This means we got like 50-50 price action. So this means ES doesn't want to confirm bearish idea yet. But if it's going to displace without even closing below order, like potential order block, this makes sense to short. It's trying to displace right now and close below this level. Really struggling right now, but it's okay. We took internal sell side. It was like just like quick high, not high time frame level, key level right there. But still hourly fair value gap makes sense to me. Yes, struggling still. What's the point of this consolidation? Do we have first presented fair value gap, guys? Let me check. We don't have first presented yet? Oh, we do have one. It just formed. Okay. No closure still. Games time. Okay. Doesn't let me to enter the trade yet. So as you can see, I'm not in yet. because I was waiting for displacement on a yes. It still failed, which makes this short like maybe like B minus if I want to grade this. Yeah, I see we got this. So annoying. Okay. See, ES doesn't want to displace. That's why it makes sense to be more patient and don't make stupid mistakes. Just need to wait for displacement on this ugly ES chart. I know lots of people don't use ES when they execute on NQ, but I always highly recommend to do this because ES normally confirms direction for NQ, like most of the time. Hmm. Okay, what about right now? Do we have sound? No shorts right now until ES confirms this. Something wrong with sound inside Discord seems like. See, that's why it's very important to observe ES. That's why I did not enter the trade because ES didn't want to displace. That's main invalidation. So happy I was a bit more patient than other people. So once again, we took internal sell side. It was fine. It was key level, but I cannot say it was good point of reversal in my humble opinion. Like okay. One more SMT so far this highs. Previous day high on an yes remains higher. Okay, news in 17 minutes. You said Michael said Silver Boot is going to play out today. Let's see. Not going to argue about this. So it looks like we inverted first presented fair value gap, right? We got 1 minute flat candle, at least on M&Q right here. So once again, if a yes going to confirm this sign of smart money reversal to downside, I will look for short on NQ again. But once again, need to see any change in the state of delivery. Why I call this like change in the state of delivery? Because it changed in order flow, change in something, right? It doesn't want to offer any signs yet, which is extremely annoying. SMT, yes, clearly it's trying to form SMT right now, like double SMT. So previous day high taken on NQ failed on ES, and right now this high taken failed on NQ. So yeah, we do have SMT, but still zero, seems like zero signs of short setup yet. Am I wrong? Yeah, change in this basically order block, right? Interesting to say, like we got SMT on both sides, right? Over here, and on high time frame, like right here and right here. Every single IM session like this, but I guess that's fine. Oops. We have red folder news at 10. So we just traded into this fair value gap while ES failed. We only inverted first percent fair value gap. I didn't see like good signs of any signs of long setup besides this first percent fair value gap. Okay, I mean that's fine. Like lots of SMTs. Looks ugly. But also seems like other instruments, for example, I was watching CL. Oh, CL just retraced to 30-minute fair value gap. And my plan for CL, for example, if I want to try to long CL, to see if we may get sweep right here. So then switch on 3-minute chart, basically we'll long 3-minute order block. So it's planned for CL. I forgot that I highlighted these levels. So if it's going to be 30-minute sweep on CL, makes sense to try to long CL. Here's HO, retrace to my key level. Also was waiting for 30-minute sweep, wireless sweep, still nothing. But if it's going to be SMT between CL and HO, then long will be confirmed on CL, right? Gold. Okay, gold looks interesting. Okay. So on gold, we got hourly sweep, but we never retraced to 5-minute fair value gap. I'm going to set alert right now. The problem is I was waiting for sweep and short to this for our fair value gap. I mean, okay, I'm going to set alert anyway. Maybe we will retrace. Of course not. It was my pre-market plan for different instruments today. So on gold, we got hourly sweep. I was waiting honestly for sweep right here, but that's fine. So we got hourly sweep with a 5-minute change in the state of delivery over here. And we got 5-minute fair value gap. We never did trace there, so I'm going to keep my eyes on basically set alert. Maybe it will reach, maybe it will retrace. On gold to 5-minute fair value gap. Silver, I was checking silver this morning. It was absolutely ugly. I mean, nothing significant happened on silver. I was looking for any SMT between gold and silver, but I didn't find any good projections and SMTs. So on silver to trade this. On CL, going to keep my eyes on this 3-minute OB, potential OB. Let's see. Let me open CL on my another screen so I'm not going to miss this. Going to keep my eyes on CL. Will keep you updated. Still SMT. What is going on? Looks choppy. A bit more choppy. Yes, I mean yesterday PM session wasn't bad, right? As well as Asia wasn't bad. Exactly as we got like last 3 weeks. So if you want to trade, like I noticed this, if you want to trade AM session, look for trades on silver, on gold, on CL, any different, maybe Euro, right? But any different instruments, but not on NQ. That's why I set alerts and I will keep my eyes on different instruments. That's why this morning I was checking different like markets. Like if I'm not going to get any setups, for example, on NQ, most likely will not going to get some. I will look for trades on gold, for example, or CL. No sound. Okay. Okay, so far lots of SMTs. Still nothing significant happened. A bit sign of seek and destroy trend, but still bullish market overall. Minute bar just opened on CL. Okay. We have news in 9 minutes. Nine minutes left. Good morning, guys. It's still so slow. Honestly, like looking at quarters, right? Normally, first quarter of the year is accumulation, but second quarter is uh manipulation. But if first quarter is going to be continuation of the last quarter of the last year, second quarter normally is accumulation to manipulate for the third quarter. So the question is, if this 3 months is going to be not 3 months less, obviously, is going to be accumulation to manipulate third quarter, right? And distribution will be for by the end of the year, last 3 months. Because seems like, in my humble opinion, right now we are inside accumulation high time frame. This means first quarter of the year was a continuation of fourth quarter from the last year. It seems like, at least. So let's see. I hope this accumulation is going to end next month. I hope so. And we will get solid days like we got with Biden. IM session was nice. Remember, like when Biden was president, we got lots of good setups for IM session. Like, I mean, we still have good setups for IM session, but not always. Almost every single IM session is like 1 minute expansion and 3 hours of consolidation. I never seen that before. What is going on? Really? Crazy. It's not because first week of the month. Consolidation started at the beginning of May, right? Right, and actually, last 2 weeks of April was also not the best. So I believe second quarter is accumulation so far, because almost 2 months we sit and seek and destroy every single morning. Seems like it's accumulation high time frame with manipulation next 3 months. I mean, from July. Yeah, crazy, right? Yeah, overall market is bullish, in my opinion, with inside second stage of reaccumulation of market maker buy model. Just I'm not looking for shorts anymore, because obviously, who looks for shorts inside market maker buy model? But what may make sense to me, like we're breaking below consolidation low and then long. It's going to be like some sort of power of three, right? Like accumulation, manipulation, distribution. One more SMT. Well, looking right now, completely different pictures. Seems like not in sync right now. But we do have OB on ES. That's it. Enough for now. Okay, guys, like a real question right now. If you see the sequence of down close candles, would you consider order block like this? Like this? Not like this. Like this. Or like this? Like real question. How do you think about this? What do you think? Is it order block right here? Or order block above closure of this week? Because in my opinion, it makes sense to probably use this one. And I don't need to count this week because it's huge week. And considering this 30-minute sweep, it's bullish sign, right? Yeah, doesn't it make sense to use this week, right? It's huge one. It's more than it's bigger than this down close candles. So basically, okay, yeah, I agree with you guys. I would consider this 3-minute or a 3-minute order block as well. So if it's going to be OB, this means we got bullish sign, good bullish sign for continuation higher. You know, huge week, huge week. I would say we can like highlight 50% of this week and break above 50%. Also could be invalidation of bearish short-term bearish bias, right? Okay, this means I'm going to cut 50%. Like, yeah, doesn't really make sense to consider this week as part of order block because it's a huge one. Yeah, I agree with you, Mike. Yeah, exactly. Mm-hmm. So basically, we got closure above 50% of this week. We did trace down. It failed to close below this level. So basically, it's bullish sign, like first bullish sign. And all I have is 614 level, honestly. Seems like I don't have any other targets. How did you get 678, if you don't mind me to ask? It's 50% of BPR? Ah, okay. Yeah, me too. Like order block with bodies doesn't really make sense to use this week. 674 RTH. Oh, okay. Sometimes I forget about this, so yeah. This one. Okay, I got it. Thank you. hmm Thank you. Going to name this like RTH by side liquidity. News came out. We tested 50% of weekly week. Maybe it's stuck at this level. I see I still don't have 3-minute OB. Look at ES. How to think so far? Look at ES. Completely different charts. And this in CL right now, it still didn't offer order block, but it's just going higher. Order block was offered only right here, so that's crazy. So waiting for OTA retracement then. Because OB should be right here and we just got closure with displacement. If we could close right here, it would be solid long already. But waiting for OTA retracement to get win set up then. So I don't want to see slightly higher, just trying to find projections. We'll pull projection from this swing high to this swing low. Forcing deviation lines up with RTH by side liquidity. So right now we range between 2 and 2.5. So normally what we want to see retracement down to 1 and 1.5 range, which is part of, for example, 3-minute OB so far. That's it. Yes, still struggling, so that's interesting to see. Still below previous day high level. Let's check YM because yes looks strange right now. How? Just tell me how. How is it even possible? Are you serious? You want to tell me like NQ going higher? Well, yes, just consolidating, but YM dropped hard. Should I use like SMT here at this? What is going on? How is it even possible? Crazy. Absolutely crazy. Well, ignoring this, let's see what we have on 5-minute chart. It's about to form 5-minute fair value gap because seems like leg up right here on 5-minute chart balanced. Yeah, YM lives her own life. Like, she doesn't care about ES. What is ES? She doesn't care about NQ. What is NQ? So I enjoy my life alone. Okay, first percent free value from my 29. Okay. Yes, I mean, in Q inside market maker buy model, obviously it's bullish. Is it SMT? Is it even SMT? Like, we got 3 different SMTs at highs so far. Nice reaction from the range between 2 and 2.5. Yeah, out of sync. Yeah, I agree with you. This price action literally crazy so far. Just straight move up, straight move down. Okay, Dasha, calm down. It's okay. Just a little bit annoying, but who cares? A little bit annoying. No, it's not a little bit annoying, just annoying. Never seen that before. Still feels so crazy. Good reaction from 50% of weekly week. That's it. We got 2-minute inversion. We're still trading near 10 a.m. open. I'm just shocked a little bit. Just a little bit. You got 3-minute OB, beige shoulder block. We got 2-minute beige shoulder block. We got fair value gap, still open fair value gap. We got inversion on 3-minute chart and 2-minute chart. We got equal lows. We got nothing on ES, absolutely nothing. Look how ES trying to respect first present fair value gap. CL could be nice long, but once again, just annoying. It did not close, for example, above this. It's going to be OB right here, but that's it. Um, MQ. Not anti-4CL just yet. It will continue going higher in my opinion. We have weekly equal highs higher. The only problem right now, yeah, it's not really a problem. So we got another order block. So let's see at least if made trades there. So overall I'm bullish on CL, I'm bullish on NQ. A bit more bearish on gold. That's it. You know, but yeah, you know, like when you see put that between two words, for some reason, Streamlabs decided it's a link for some magical reason. Another SMT. Silver long on gold. Depends what level you would like to aim for on gold. You looking for complete reversal or what? For scalp, yes, you can, but depends once again on what level you're looking for to aim for. Silver. Oh yeah, at this point, yeah, makes sense. It may offer SMT sold, SMT on silver. So we got a couple of OBs. So maybe I would not aim for a new high of the day, but maybe I would aim for 50% of this order block right here. So yeah, like I can give you the price to be more specific for silver. Like this, 34.590. We got 4-hour bullish order block. So we got just closure and retest to this order block so far. What do you mean, 2-minute model? What kind of video you want to see from me? Look at ES. ES still consolidating. Why? Crazy. Seems like it's not equal lows on MNQ. MNQ basically took this low. Again, looks like I will trade PM session again. I mean, I still love this. I love to trade PM session when because it's fast when IM session is slow. We didn't have 2-minute model for 10 a.m. yet. Just yet. Nothing significant happened yet. We don't have it. That's it. So yes, going to previous day high level. SPX took my key level, which was buy side liquidity, I believe. Still SMT. Let me check SPX because seems like it took my key level. Yeah, it took buy side liquidity already. Another level only 20 points higher, so makes sense to offer the action soon. The retracement soon. You said it's very strange to see in Q trading, yes, consolidating, but YM is going lower. That's interesting to see, right? 3 out of sync. So, but still, if you want to focus on one instrument, ignoring different, for example, yes or YM, still kind of hard to trade, honestly. Well, we got 2-minute inversion for a value gap. So forcing a deviation right here, right below RTH buy side liquidity, but still struggling. Look at this. Yes, I really want to take previous day high level, but it feels like yes, not tradable just for now. So close to previous day high level. Just take this finally. Do something. Offer volatility. Once again, interesting to see how actually M and Q took this low while Q failed. Did not take previous day high. Just touch this level. Crazy. Never seen it before. So 10 a.m. seems like continuation of previous candle, so it's bullish candle. But I cannot say we really traded below 10 a.m. today. But overall seems like it's bullish. We have some projections higher. Like it's trying to form a fair value gap. So we have some projections. I'm sorry, guys. Some projections higher. So forced standard deviation RTH buy side liquidity still higher. It's just stuck at 50% of daily, not daily, weekly week so far. Previous day high taken. We just got 3-minute inversion. I just want to say, guys, it just for some reason seems like it's more bullish than bearish just for now. But at the same time, it's so hard to trade this. Why? Because I feel like Where you're like, okay, Dasha, give up, just like long with closed eyes. Like, that's it. But in reality, when you're like looking for your setup, like most of the time, looking for retracement, forget about retracement. What is retracement, guys? Forget about this in 2025. But come on, like, when you see like obviously it should go higher, but you clearly cannot see like any entry, I already feel like maybe just press buy button and forget about this. Like, leave it like it is. Don't care about risk reward. It just, I'm kidding right now. Just feel like I never seen retracement. Like I never seen retracement since May. What is retracement? OT? You said OT? No. OT. Forget this. Forget this word. Minor pullback and buy the dip, right? It's funny, but not funny. But I'm happy to see because PM session like last 2 months exactly how AM session should look, in my opinion. Collectionist. Exactly. So on silver, I would said like makes sense to aim for 50% of this OB. So I'm looking for the tracement. It's not already from here because there's a drop to this floor for a value gap. So the question is, if it's going to close on gold above this level over here, can we pump to this 5-minute fair value gap and premium? So basically right here. I'm going to delete this because it's play out. But if it's going to offer market structure over here, can we pump to 5-minute fair value gap? That's what I'm looking at right now because seems like we got, I'm sorry guys. Maybe. If not like break above consolidation, at least 5-minute fair value gap. I call this like untapped fair value gap. Can you, yeah, of course. While we are waiting for something to happen. You can just change settings, for example, NQES, silver, gold, CLHO, just it's up to you. You have only 2 options. Not unfortunately, it's enough. Just save this as a template. This means you have delayed data. Even if you have premium account, you need to buy data separately. It's like $8 a month, if I'm not mistaken, or 7. But for example, I have like expert plan, I believe, and I need to buy data anyway for account. It doesn't matter what kind of account you have. Data buys anyway. So previous day high taken on yes. Another SMT on both sides. Yeah, if you have tap step, so you're fine. Yes, exactly. It's like $7 or $8. I don't remember, to be honest, but something like this. You know, for Ninja Trader, that's interesting. It's so hard for me to draw there. So I was trying, and nothing wrong with Ninja Trader because I execute there. But for some reason, it's hard to draw there. I don't know why. Like, TradingView is way more better. But I like Ninja Trader more than TradeAwait. Why? I don't know why. Just feels like it's better. Also, I execute on TradingView just on one account, but I cannot execute, for example, on TradingView when I have lots of when I want to copy something, right? It's just hard for some reason. It's lagging, at least for me. By the way, for a 2 minute model, you can backtest this in different markets. For example, gold, for example, CL, YM, ES, and you can backtest how it works for 9 a.m. Also interesting observation. Just go slightly higher. Because guys, we already got the retracement from 2 and 2.5 to 1 and 1.5. Normally, if it wants to pump, it must be just straight move up to force standard deviation. Not that slow like we got right now. Yeah, lots of SMTs today. But still feels more bullish than bearish. Still kind of feels like it needs to go higher. Maybe this is just me, but kind of higher makes sense, just logically, ignoring every single SMT exactly. It's wrong. Oh, I didn't see this. I'm so sorry. Fix this. Fix this. I didn't see this. Now it makes much more sense. Look how we just backed this first percent for a value gap. Like we literally trying to stay by 50%. Just use indicator for first percent for value gap, Dasha, and forget about this drawings. You'll be fine. Yes. Okay, I'm going to fix this just for you guys. Yeah, this one. Glad to help. Thank you. Thank you. Well, on 5 minute chart, we got 5 minute bullish OB. On 2 minute chart, we got inversion. Still consolidation. Exactly. Switch positions, right? Yes, consolidated then expansion, in Q expansion then consolidation. I love it. Looks amazing. Looks brilliant. Just break this range finally. Go higher. Go to force standard deviation. You know, I already I already was trying to tell myself like, okay, Dasha, just take any setup. If it's going to be losing trades, that's absolutely fine. Winning trades, that's absolutely fine. Just offer any setup so I can try this at least. But but nothing to even try. That's annoying. Yes, this equals not an MNQ. I already said that before. Yes, exactly. Just don't consolidate, please. It's not even funny anymore. But guys, we are addicted. I can say this like with my confidence. We are addicted from NQ. Like forget about NQ. Why we cannot just simply stuck on gold, silver? Like just delete NQ from my trading queue, please. Euro, like just delete this from my trading queue, please. I'm so tired from this. Euro, CL, NQ, HO, silver, like Y and Q, Y and Q. How can I forget about this, please? That's because all influencers trade in Q, and even we must do this as well for some magical reason. We don't need to do this. We need to contact TradingView to ban this ESNQ from my subscription. It will help me. It's like toxic relationship, you know. Annoying, not funny. Even right now, I really want to switch, but I cannot. That's crazy. I need professional help. Yeah. Yeah, like I traded gold and silver daily like 2 months ago, and I was extremely profitable with this. Then I switched back on NQ, completely forget about gold and silver, and right now I cannot even frame any trade. And I'm telling myself every single night when I go to sleep, Dasha, tomorrow you're going to trade gold. Just forget about this NQ. Like, why you stuck there? And now, over and over again, I come back to this. I said professional help. Nothing else is going to help me. I am in love with gold. And guys, 2 months ago, I was extremely profitable with this. Like, way more profitable with NQ. Yes. It wasn't hard for me to make like $1,000 daily. Daily. It wasn't even a problem. Like, it's not hard. Right now, NQ, 50 points? Without like 300 heartbeat rate? Like, no. Without panic attack to get 50 points on NQ, it's like, no. So for my funded futures, when you buy evaluation, you need to pick what kind of data you want to have. For example, you can buy for ES and QYM RTY. You can buy separate data. You can pick just one, if not mistaken, for gold, silver, CL. If not CL, gold, silver, and third option to get like CL, some forex players, I believe so for futures. But they have three options, I believe, and you need to pick one. So if you trade my funded futures, you need to pick that. Like when you pick data, not CME, but for gold and silver. It's separate data. That's why your data is delay. That's why. So I trade this with Take Profit Trader, gold. Apex accounts, no issue with this. But guys, if you just want to trade gold, you need to pick when you buy evaluations data for gold. Because if you're going to pick data for gold and silver, for example, you will not be able to trade in Q if I'm not mistaken. Yes, if I'm not mistaken, it like this. If you're going to pick CME data, so probably you're not going to, not probably, you are not going to trade gold and silver. So be careful. I did every step when you buy evaluation. So you don't need to annoy support with your questions then. I hope it makes sense. Let me check. Yeah, for example, for funded next futures, you can just trade NQ, MNQ, gold, silver on with one data, so you don't need to care about this. Just saw this. Check for you if you're going to get funded next futures, so you can trade any instrument you like. No questions. So as you can see, back on the yes chart, we still don't have any change in the state of delivery at all. Creating hourly sweep, huge week for this. It's still distortion. Honestly, feels like second stage of reaccumulation lower time frame just for now. Crazy. So I believe it's going to be like you said, move up is done once you can get OB. So once you can get OB, absolutely agree with you. It will drop. It will drop and gold will pump. You know, it's not really annoying since I don't execute, for example, IM session because, come on, I can execute pre-market, I can execute Asia, I can execute PM session. Yeah, like, feels like wasting of time sometimes, but still good experience, right? New York Midnight, just for now, just for now, hard to believe in this. But once you can get change in the state of delivery rows, I believe we can go there. Yeah, sometimes it's good, for experience. For example, you observe how price reaction from, for example, for a 1050 marker when it's consolidating, what we can anticipate after this consolidation, for example, by lunch. It's just good, maybe like for experience, right? It's okay. Yeah, I agree with you. Like, initially, I wanted to aim for not first percent fair value gap, hourly bullish fair value gap, which lines up with New York Midnight Open, and I was pretty much confident we will go there. But in reality, like, it is what it is. So we took internal sell side and reversed. Can I cannot blame market for this, right? It's just our fault. We cannot frame set up. Just need to study more. Someone is calling me. Cannot answer. But do we have any red folder news for PM session? Okay. Struggling. It's just consolidation so far since for 45 minutes. Yesterday I had no trades. I shorted overnight on personal account. I mean, I entered for 4:30 p.m. yesterday, and my trade was closed by limit order this night. It was 101 point trade. on one personal account. That's it. So that's it. I shorted 2-minute inversion for a value gap yesterday. That's all I got. So maybe that's why I'm feeling more comfortable right now. I already got the trade. But honestly, I noticed my performance is okay, but not on funded accounts. For some reason. How is it even possible? How is it even possible to perform well on account, but not on funded account? What? How is it even possible? But it's possible. I don't have Telegram. Just Twitter, Instagram. Sometimes I execute Asian funded account, but almost never. So for AM session, it's either like small loss, small profit, or no trades. Like my accounts at break even on funded accounts. Very extreme. I need something like just something. But no, I need to make some money on funded accounts, but it's either break even, loss, or small win. Bird can make like $200, $300. After, I mean, it's partials. My final target never hit, almost never hit on funded accounts for some reason. But when I hold my account, for example, during the night, I'm so like, I'm comfortable. I'm okay. Like, it's good. Target is obvious. Like, no concerns. And almost always it hit my TP. How is even possible? I ended yesterday short with 2 minutes. Like 20 points stop loss. I was like, small stop loss. So let's do 2 minutes. But accept again, chap. It's not funny, honestly. Honestly, it's not funny. Guys. So, anyway, part of the game, sometimes, I read somewhere that best trader is a trader that knows when it's best to stay away. I cannot call myself like best trader, honestly. But I just feel like sometimes it's better for me to stay away from this job. So once again, let's see. Just need to expand above, to see expansion above this swing high to pump higher to RTH buy side liquidity. You blew 8 funded accounts. I cannot help you to pass this. So you need to work on your discipline and your psychology probably. Swing trading, honestly, if you trade a 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart without looking on 5-minute chart and lower, swing trading is best way. Is your best choice, your best option. I think so. So 50% on yes right here is 50% of weekly week. As you can see, NQ just stuck at this level, doesn't want to move at all, but ES still remains below this level. Once again, if just focus right now on 1 hour chart and 4 hour chart and execute based on this charts, like 1 hour and higher, I see zero problem with trading at all. Like that's why I don't trade this on funded accounts and swing trade this. No problems. But looking at lower time frame, I don't know, like hourly looks okay. to continue going higher, but 2-minute chart, 1-minute chart, 5-minute chart looks absolutely ugly. How is it impossible? Because candles looks normal on hourly chart. Yeah, it's about to break the swing high right here. Let's see if we get strong break to immediately deliver to 14 dB. I would say range right here between 4 and RTH buy side liquidity. Let's see. Basically about to offer 2-minute OB over here and over here to continue going higher. Oops, different tool. So we got strong closure. I would say strong closure above swing high over here, but still sweep on ES. Just feel like PM session for me is going to be nice. Okay, still struggling. Oh my god. Crazy. Yeah, you can ask me on Twitter if you want. If you have any questions, just feel free to ask. We're here to help you. So seems like gold did trace to 5-minute breaker block. Let's see how we can hold this breaker block. Can it be unicorn? Yes or not? Where did you ask? Because probably I didn't see your message. I mean, probably it was comment. I remember day when I was passing my Apex, I believe, or it was the Edit Trader. I don't remember exactly what kind of account it was. I mean, which prop firm it was. I blew when I was like $2 away from passing this. I know, like $2, less than $5. When you like less than $5 away from passing accounts, hardest money in your life. So yeah, that's life. 50% of weekly week taken on ES, be still below potential target area. Okay, trader AL. What's wrong with take profit? I don't know what's wrong with take profit trader. I guess this week is best for giveaway. I will announce giveaway tomorrow. It's going to be take profit trader giveaway. 50K accounts. Just feels like it's better to do giveaway for AM session and be deluxe in trade PM session. So I will do giveaway on Twitter and YouTube this week. So I'm going to give away on YouTube take profit trader. On Twitter I'm going to give away TradeZella accounts. So I'm going to be done for today. Just going to focus right now on something else. We'll try to trade PM session. Not will try. I will trade PM session. So we'll do giveaway tomorrow. Take profit trader. So, and we'll do more giveaways this week as well. Yeah, guys. Wish you perfect the rest of the day. Don't make stupid mistakes. Don't blow your account. Trade smart, not hard. See you tomorrow, guys. Good luck. Good trading. Bye, guys.